In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow anyone to upload files to your Google Drive folder. By the end, you'll have a folder that accepts uploads from anyone who has your link, perfect for collecting photos, assignments, or documents without managing individual invitations. A quick heads up before we start: granting editor access to anyone with the link is powerful. It lets people add files, but it also allows organizing and editing within that folder. Use a dedicated folder just for submissions, and don't put anything sensitive inside. Open your web browser and head to Google. At the top right, click the grid icon, the Google Apps Launcher, and choose Drive. This takes you into your Google Drive, where you can find the folder you want to turn into a public Dropbox. On the left sidebar, click Shared with Me. This is helpful if the folder was originally shared with you by someone else and you want to adjust its access. If your target folder lives in your main storage, you'll still see it in Drive. Locate the folder you want people to upload into, then hover over it and click the three dots, also called More Actions. This opens the folder's options menu. Choose Share. If a smaller panel appears, or you see another Share button in the toolbar or preview, click Share again to open the full sharing window. We want the detailed sharing controls so we can change the link settings for the folder. In the sharing window, look for General Access. Change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. This setting makes the folder visible to anyone who has your unique URL, without adding them one by one. Next, set the permission to Editor. On folders, Editor Access enables Organize, Add, and Edit, which is what allows uploads. That's the key change that turns your folder into an upload destination for anyone with the link. Click Done to save your settings. That's it. Your folder is now ready to receive files from anyone who has the link. Share the folder link wherever you need, event pages, emails, or class portals, and people will be able to drop in their files. Note that some contributors may be prompted to sign in with a Google account to upload. That's normal and depends on Google's current policies and your organization's admin settings. A few safety tips. Keep this as a temporary collection folder. Move submissions out regularly. And when you're finished collecting, switch General Access back to Restricted or change the role to Viewer. If you're on a work or school account, your admin may limit public sharing, so you might need to request permission or use a personal account for this purpose.